Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how to earn money just by watching videos on YouTube, watching videos on TikTok, and posting on Instagram and completing certain tasks. So I'm going to leave the site's link on the description box below. Make sure you check this out. Before we get started, you can actually withdraw this money using your bank account, or you can use your PayPal account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Once you get to the Timebucks site, you can get paid just by you posting on TikTok, view funny tags, play games, install apps, complete captures, post on Instagram, and answer some questions. So if you already have an account on Timebucks, you can actually just insert your email address and insert your password. After inserting your password, you click on this box so as to verify your account. But if you don't even have an account, I will show you how you can create your account, or you can simply sign in with your Facebook account. So right now I'm going to sign in also with your email address. So I'm going to create an account. So I'm going to insert my email address. Once I'm done my email address, I'm going to insert my a password. That is, I'll create another password. After I repeat the same password again, once I'm done with that, I'll simply click on this bell. That is, after that I'm going to verify myself. That is, I'm going to click all the images where I'll see breach. After that, I'll click on verify. Once I verify myself, I'm going to click on sign up now. So you can actually see that it's my first time for me to use this. So it is going to actually show me in this manner. So this is it. I'm going to click on on agree. So this is my Timebucks account. So as you can see, this is actually it. Okay, make sure you read this information. That is, I'm going to actually click here. That is, as soon as there's a new survey on the site, I'm actually going to be notified on my email. So I'm actually going to click on that. So as you can actually see here, you say end 0.10 if you complete your what, your standby profile. So I'm actually going to click on here, complete your profile. So click on that. So as you can actually see right now, our wallet is $1, our bonus is $1, our wallet is $1, our income is what, is $0. So I'll actually insert my what, my name. So after that, I'll insert my state, that is center. Once I'm done with that, my address, I'll insert my address. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to insert my words, my postcode. After that, I'll insert my agenda, that is an email. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on what, on update. So no, I need to change my date, my year. So put like, okay, 2000. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on what, update. After that, please confirm if your information is correct. So if everything is okay, I'm going to click on what, confirm. So that's it. Once you click on that, you can actually see your wallet is $1.1 and your bonus is 1.1. So after you are done with that, you can see insert your what, your profile picture. So I'm going to do that very fast. So once that is done, you can verify your ID. They say you must be eligible for payout. In order to verify your ID, you must reach $10 in your wallet ending, then come back here. So actually right now our account is still brand new, so we can just go by going here. So you can start by watching this. So I'm going to click on start. So here you can actually answer all these questions. Once you answer all these questions, you actually earn 0.2. So that's it. After that, these are some tax. You can actually, if you view this post in less than 15 minutes, I actually get $0.001. So you can actually see these are various survey competition by other users. So you can see if you do this, you can actually have $0.2 dollars. You can actually have $0.12. You can actually have $0.7. It's just by you completing what, any of these tasks. So that's all. And you can also earn money on what? On your TikTok. But for you to actually earn money on your TikTok, you must actually have 5,000 followers and 4 posts on your TikTok account for you to get what? Verified. And you come and insert your what? Your TikTok analysis. That is, you screenshot it. After that, you click on what? On submit for approval. So once you're done with that, you can see, come here, this another way. These are various other means at which you can also earn money on this site. So yeah, so you can see also you can play game and you earn money. So you can actually play this game a lot. Mobile actually earn money on that just by you clicking on it. After clicking on it, you will click on what? Continue to earn. Once you are done with that, you insert your what? Your email address, and a link will be sent. This link will actually be forwarded to you for you to actually download the game on your cell phone or on your device. So these are various ways on which you can actually earn money on this site. So these are it. This is our dashboard showing our own engine. Right now we are on 0. So that's it.